Precision starts with every detail. This 3D rendering video showcases the GT8, a 2-inch metallic AODD pump, fully recreated in high-accuracy 3D. Hundreds of components were carefully measured and modeled by our engineering team to achieve true 1-to-1 restoration accuracy, 100% compatible with lden T8. Designed for easy maintenance, the clamped structure allows quick disassembly and reassembly using only a single tool. Available with both aluminum and stainless steel hardware options. Maximum flow rate up to 623 liters per minute. All pump body parts are produced from molds exclusively developed and funded by us, ensuring stable quality and dimensional consistency. For smaller components, we combine selected OEM supply chain parts with customized supplier-made components to ensure reliable performance and compatibility. Every detail matters. Every dimension is engineered for precision. AODD Pump. Precision you can trust. Performance that lasts.